Hello everyone. Today I am going to do a military power comparison between the United States of America and the Islamic Republic of Iran. So let's start the video. Capital: Washington, Tehran. Population: 327 million, 83.27 million. Total military personnel: 2,146,890,000. Active personnel: 1,286,550,000. Tank: 7,321, 2,531. Armored fighting vehicle: 41,760, 3,521. Mine protected vehicle: 12,424, 1,722. Light utility vehicle: 76,236, 7,922. Self-propelled artillery: 1,322, 621. Towed artillery: 921, 2,756. Rocket projector: 1,197, 356. Next is Air Force power comparison of both countries. Total aircraft: 13,564, 541. Fighter aircraft: 2,592, 178. Attack aircraft: 2,993, 206. Trainer aircraft: 2,944, 201. Total helicopter: 5,844, 126. Attack helicopter: 1,123, 12. Electronic warfare: 43, 5. Transport aircraft: 1,245, 89. Next is Navy power comparison of both countries. Total naval assets: 437, 406. Aircraft carrier: 10. Iran has no any aircraft carrier. Destroyer: 85, 1. Frigates: 22, 8. Corvette: 15, 3. Submarine: 71, 40. Patrol vessel: 17, 88. Mine warfare ship: 11, 3. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.